What is Mr. Derek? Mr. Derek, please. This will not go on record.
Sir, my point of order is Rule 258. Now, 258, sir. Now the resolution has come here. None of us have seen the resolution. Yesterday, all the members who were present, after the House was adjourned, there are many, many witnesses here across political parties who saw the boorish hooliganism of a minister of the cabinet.
This will not go on record. This will not go on record. This is what is happening in the House in the presence of the chair. That is taken note by me. Subsequently, what happened? This has not been brought to my notice except in the newspapers, please. So, no, you have made your point. Yes. That's what I am saying. Even after the, please sit down, Mr. Derek, sit down. This is an important issue. Please sit down. This will not go on record. Please sit down. This will not go on record. This will not go on record. Mr. Santanu Sen, please withdraw from the House.
Sir, I move that Dr. Shantanu Sen, AITC, be suspended from the services of the House for the remaining part of the current session for his unruly behavior, unbecoming of a member of Rajya Sabha yesterday, the 22nd July 2021, by snatching the copy of the statement from the Minister of Railways, Minister of Communications and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, tearing and throwing it towards the chair, thereby bringing disrepute to this august House.
Motion moved. Those who in favor say yes. Those who will say yes, no. Yes, approved. Dr. Santanu Sen stands suspended for remaining part of the bill. For the remaining part of the session. Suken Sekarai is saying something, please. If others sit down, I can allow you. What is your point of order, please? Please, bite jaye.
1 second.
I have called him.
Sir,
please sit down.
Before I come to my 267 notice, the way the motion has been
Santanu
moved...
Sen, you have to withdraw from the House.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah, I am coming.
May I submit?
Please.
You have allowed the Honourable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs to move a motion suspending Dr. Shantanu Sen from the remaining part of the session. But the matter is not in the list of the business, number one. So we did not have any opportunity to react on that, because whether the government is moving such motion, we are quite unaware of it. Because it was not included.
What is
in
the point of order?
It was not included in the list.
No, I have approved it.
You may approve.
Come to me.
You may approve it without.
No, it is a question of dignity of this House.
Sir,
if you have any other point of order, please.
Sir,